Scott Cook.
Welcome back, everyone. After spending a week in Houston, it's nice to get back to the big country. We're a little bit warmer here and a bit drier as well. But let's take a look at what we can expect for our headlines this week. It's going to be staying hot and dry for you. Those hot and dry conditions is going to be consisting for the next couple of days. Summer heat is going to be prevailing, and that's going to be staying with us until further notice. No rain is expected for this week. It's not likely at all. And when we take a look at the 3D Live radar, we're not seeing any activity out here for us. It's still dry out there. We did see a few light showers over by the Big Springs area off to our west, but for the most part, the state of Texas is staying dry thanks to high pressure that's sticking in over the area. Taking a look at what we can expect in the current conditions here in Abilene, 87 degrees, winds from the south-southeast at 10 miles an hour. Over in Sweetwater, 85 degrees, and they're seeing a little bit calmer winds at around 7 miles an hour. Across the big country, those temperatures staying in the mid to upper 80s. A few places still holding out in the 90s, like Jayton, Breckenridge, and Knox City. They're 91 degrees up there, with the wind speeds coming in from the south-southeast. Relatively calm tonight, going to be around 5 to 10 miles an hour. Right now, 10 here in Abilene, but we can expect to see those calming down a little bit for tonight. Taking a look at the almanac, got up to 100 degrees here in Abilene, so another hot day in the area. Our low this morning of 76 and no precipitation for us. Now, this is the last day in July, so let's take a look at the month in review. Average high temperature for the month, 98 degrees, a very hot summer month for you. We are about 4 degrees above the average for this time of the year. Average low for the month was 75. Our warmest day was 102 degrees. That is, in fact, 2 days, July 4th and July 13th. And the coolest low was 68 degrees. That was set July 16th. Now let's take a look at what we can expect for tomorrow. That high pressure staying over the area. That's going to keep those temperatures getting up nice and hot into the triple digits in some places for tomorrow. So it's going to be another hot day, and we can expect to see those temperatures staying with us for the next couple of days. That's the month in review yet again, but taking a look at the weather patterns, high pressure making its way into the area, low pressure off to the north, not going to be affecting us. It's that high pressure that's staying where it is, and that's what's going to be keeping our conditions nice and clear. Taking a look at the satellite imagery for us, not much, but off in the Caribbean, we are seeing a low pressure system. This is expected to become our next tropical storm, expected to become Tropical Storm Earl. Not going to be affecting us, and make its way over into Mexico and stay well south of the state of Texas. Well, we're not going to be expecting to see much rain for us here today. Going to be getting down to 75 degrees for tonight. Tomorrow, warming up to 98. Again, going to be staying hot, going to be staying hydrated if you're outside. But over in Rio, they're going to be seeing some nicer conditions. Now, the Olympics is going to be starting this Friday, so we do have the Olympics headed our way, and they're going to be seeing temperatures staying in the 80s and 90s. But back here in the big country, those temperatures are going to be getting up into the upper 90s, triple digits for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Not as nice as it is in Rio. I wish I was going to the Olympics just for the temperatures, but we're going to be staying here all week.
Scott, you're teasing everyone with that Rio forecast. We need to get a plane and just go to Rio right now.
You and I we should just go to the Olympics. We'll just cover it for KRBC. It'll be great.
Definitely a tease.
That's the good plan.
Thanks so much, Scott.